Hey guys, Arnold Broad here with another news update on men's health. And in this issue we want to talk about erectile dysfunction and is it curable? Now, spoiler alert, the answer is yes. What we're going to do is we're going to talk about different aspects of ED. We're going to also talk about what I use personally and what I found to work really great. And I'll talk about that towards the end of this video. Now, if you have any questions about this video or any of the videos on my channel, just give me a call or text me at 609-410-4790. I'd really like to hear from you. If you'd rather email me, there is a link in the description below this video to an email form. Now, if you're watching this on a cell phone, you have to click the little arrow to the right of the title of this video to get to that description. Now let's see what we have today. Now ED has a number of causes, and they range from mental and emotional, stress, anxiety, performance anxiety, working 80, 90 hours a week, all that kind of stuff certainly can play a role in this. Physical injury, medical conditions such as Parkinson's disease, MS, prostate cancer surgery, and lifestyle issues. A lot of alcohol possibly, a lot of drugs possibly, diet, lack of exercise, all those kind of lifestyle issues. Now, there are two ways to deal with ED. You go to your doctor and you say you have an issue and they talk to you about it a little bit. And generally speaking, 99% of the time, you're going to get a prescription for an ED drug like Viagra or Cialis. Now, the only problem with these kind of medications is that they don't get to the underlying cause of the problem. They are symptom relief, and I'm all for symptom relief, except when you don't get to the underlying cause of the problem gets worse, and then these symptom relief methods stop working. So, generally speaking, ED drugs only help about 50% of the guys that try them. Forget about the side effects and those things. They just don't work for 50% of the guys. And of the guys that they work for, about another 40% stop working over time because of the worsening underlying problem. So what needs to be done is to fix the underlying problem, which are in the cardiovascular system. Now, blood flow is the primary cause for erectile dysfunction. Poor blood flow makes up 90% of ED issues. So everything that we do that hurts the heart and circulation system hurts the erections. Now, to fix ED naturally takes a lifestyle change that includes more exercise, proper nutrition, and supplements. Now, all these are designed to increase the production of something called nitric oxide. Now, lifestyle changes are tricky. If you've ever, said to yourself on a New Year's resolution, I'm going to exercise, I'm going to the gym, how long does that last? And how long does proper nutrition or trying to lose weight, those type of dietary changes, how long do they last? They're just difficult. I like the idea of supplements. That works really great for me, and I'll tell you what I do in a moment. Now, nitric oxide is the key here, because as we repair the circulation system, and as we repair the lining of the blood vessels known as the endothelium, we improve nitric oxide production. And this is vital to the erectile process because nitric oxide production gives your arteries and veins the ability to expand and contract, to dilate. And with that ability to dilate, you get, one, it helps to your blood pressure, so you can get off blood pressure medication. But this increased blood flow is vitally important for the erection process. So I take a product for nitric oxide therapy, and I'm telling you, it works great. And I'm 71 years old, and I couldn't be happier with this product. Now, if you'd like to see this really good video on nitric oxide therapy and this particular product that I take, there is a link in the description below this video to that nitric oxide video page, which also has the product that I take on it. If you have any questions about that nitric oxide therapy video, this video, or any of the videos in my channel, give me a call or text me at 609-410-4790. I'd really like to hear from you. Now, thank you for stopping by today and watching this video. Have a great day, and here's to your good health.